My name is Lory. Welcome to the Follicle Spa YouTube channel. I've decided to do a video series on some of my favorite products during this time of self-isolation. It's also a way to keep busy. The great products that we have at the spa, just to tell you a little bit about them and why they're my favorite. So let's see. So to start, I turned on this video camera and took one look and went, oh, it's allergy season. So I unfortunately am plagued with seasonal allergies, and I suffer with the sinus and the eye area. So I get these puffy little bags underneath my eyes daily. I wake up with them and try to work very hard at getting rid of them throughout the day. So one of my favorite products this time of year, and any time of year actually, just when the eyes are feeling tired, Yonka's Phyto-Contour. This product has rosemary in it, so it feels very cooling, very soothing, and we know rosemary is very good for draining. So this is my go-to, and sometimes I'll use it throughout the day and just pat a little bit underneath both eye just to kind of help refresh them. So that was my start today. I've just shampooed my hair. I am conditioned. I'm a Nioxin girl right now. I suffer from a very dry scalp over the winter months, so I find Nioxin shampoo and their scalp therapy treatment are my go-to products over the winter months. Through the summer, I can change it up a little bit when there's more humidity in the air and try some different things then. I'm going to be working with the Corral hair products that we have available in our hair salon. The first product, I always put on a leave-in treatment. Even though I'm using a conditioner, I find my hair is thin, can be a little bit brittle because of the coloring that I do. So I always put in a leave-in treatment. This one from Corral is the one I'm going to use today. So it just comes in a spray pump, and I'm just going to spray some of that in mostly at my ends. Because my hair is thinner, if I spray too much around the roots, I find it can weigh my hair a little bit. But this leave-in treatment's great because it is formulated specially for fine hair, so it's not going to weigh it down if you do apply it to your roots. Just like to make sure that basically from about this part down is covered well with the leave-in treatment. Especially if I'm going to be using an iron, it's important to do this step. And next, one of my very favorite products, because I like, with having thinner, finer hair, I like to add volume. This is from the Style Perfetto line Corral. Vol-Look, it's called, but this is their volumizing mousse. I like to apply that all over. Because of the fine hair, I'm prone to flyaways as well. Using this will just help to keep that under control. So just work it through right out to the ends. Try and get it well covered underneath as well. I will apply it closer to the roots. But today I'm not going to, because I'm going to show you their Hyper Boost root spray. This is it here, root spray. So you just want to shake it up and then basically take sections of your hair and just spray it in. So this is where I like the volume, is mostly at the sides, across the top, and at the back section. As I'm doing this, you might be noticing some roots. I think a lot of us are finding that these days, and I probably needed my roots done 2 weeks before we went out. They're really starting to show. Right now, it's really not a problem, as we find on most of our walks. It's been a bit on the cool side, so you can get away with wearing a hat. But I did want to show you in this video a new product that we picked up. It's been around for a little while, and I have some friends who have tried it and said really good things about it. It's called Wow, a root touch-up powder. This is what it looks like, and my shade is red. After I get my hair dried, I'm going to apply some of this to my roots, and we'll see how it looks. I'm just going to work with my blow dryer, get the moisture out of my hair, and then start shaping it with my favorite brush, giving lift to the hair and shaping it to smooth it out. So I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay, so I've gotten most of the moisture out. I just wanted to mention to you, as you probably already know, if you want to create a bit more lift in your hair when you're blow drying, you want to pick up the hair and point your dryer at the root, flipping your hair over to the opposite side that it naturally dries, and drying the roots that way, and then just keep moving the hair around. Same thing at the back, lifting and drying the root. The next part, even though my hair is thin and fine, it does tend to puff up once I've shampooed it and put all the styling products in. So we see our hairdresser do it all the time. And I have to admit, even though it does take a little more time, sectioning off your hair makes a world of difference, especially if you really just want a nice, clean, finished style. Take the brush, and about medium, and then just start drying and shaping, and putting the dryer at the brush, as you're going down the shaft a little bit. Doing it in sections will also help just prevent your brush from getting cleaned up. Okay, and another reason you want to make sure that you get most of the moisture out of your hair is at this stage, when you're blow drying with your brush, once you have most of the moisture out, your brush isn't going to grab so much, which can risk breaking the hair. So you just want enough moisture out that you can start styling, smoothing it, and your brush should slide through really easy. Okay, so I'm just on the last section of hair, so I'm going to finish drying that, and then I'll show you the root powder next. Okay, we've got all the hair is dry now. Definitely one of the advantages of using a root booster or lifter is it does help a little bit to hide the roots. So I checked out a few videos online myself just to see reviews on this product and how the company recommends you use it. So the recommendation is that you use the small end of the brush as opposed to the large to place the powder onto your roots. I believe this would probably just kind of help you to blend it out a little bit if you need to, but I'll be honest, when I tried it the first time, I just worked with the small brush and it seemed to work really well. So what you do is you just pick up, I picked up a fair amount of powder, just kind of tap the brush a little bit, and then they recommend that you just take a section of your hair and just press down flat on it close to your scalp. And then I'm just going to do this in the mirror so I can see. You just want to literally just brush it on right where you see the grays coming in. Okay, so just to show you the difference, but I'll try and pick sections where there's more gray showing through, like here. Yeah, it definitely tones it down. So better than it was, definitely. So let's try the other side here. Just press down flat. Now they say this product is water resistant, that it won't come off just during the day, and it stays put until the next time you shampoo. So I tested that out already, and I think I had it on for 2 days, and yeah, it held up really well. So definitely making a difference with toning down the grays. So for in between colors, if you're finding, like myself, I used to be able to go, back in the day, 6 weeks, it seemed, in some cases, before I really needed roots done. Now it's 4 weeks and I'm ready. So this is just a good product to have on hand, just to extend the wear of your color a little bit more, and to get you through a pandemic when you can't visit your hairdresser. So, wow, root touch-up powder. It's a win. I like it. So we are, as you know, the spa is closed for the time being, unfortunately. We are doing curbside pickup as long as we're able to. So just email us directly, and if you have any questions or any requests on what you would like to see, we offer a lot of different services and products through the spa and hair salon. So be happy to show them to you. Have a great day. See you soon.